Every time that door opens, son of a bitch. Oh, beautiful. We got 260s here. Oh, man, I still got my red rags on. Son of a bitch.
Is mine off?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't even see anybody.
Look to your left. Look to your left. Far pipe on the right.
What? Oh, these things are awesome. I had to go switch. I was running my big one. It's too windy for sniping today.
It is.
So that's why I had to run back out and grab this one real quick.
So glad I brought my 60 today. So fucking glad. You on the tank? Last two. Can't see him. Man, you're so right. This is perfect. Beautiful, beautiful car. They can't arc it into me because of the trees. Yep. They're getting some in. I mean, I'm getting hits, so. The side would have folded without you already, Francis, so. What? The side would have folded already without you, so. Still behind the tank? Yeah.
Ow, my leg.
Go ahead, I got you.
Reloading!
Barrels left side of the tank. I can't see shit with these bushes. No, well, I think I heard a machine gun. It's a simple rule. I think I heard you a patent.
I got you. Sit down, sit down. We need the medic!
Over there is a 60 gunner.
Come in front. Hit! Okay, go ahead.
What's going on here, Chris?
Dude, holding this guy down behind the tank. We got two more further back. I hit the rest. See him?
Yep, see him.
Roll the barrel. Sit. Down.
What do you got your set on for burst? 1 or 2 or 2?
Yeah. I'm not using it yet. Hit! Medic!
Need a medic!
Medic! Yeah, walk right here. Medic down!
Medic's down!
I need a medic to the right side.
What?
Medic down over here.
We have a medic down!
If you're a medic, get over here.
We need a medic to heal our medic!
I'm in a line here, man. I need to move. Watch it, go. A-Dot down. A-Dot.
What?
There's a guy shooting through the slant in the tank at you. We just got a respawn point. We don't need to fall back.
What happened?
No, get back. Get back in here.
They changed it, but that means we don't gotta move yet!
We don't have to move yet?
No! If you get killed, then you move back!
Yeah.
What?
I thought we had to fall back as soon as they cut the wires.
I think they did, or they're just letting them do it because they ain't going anywhere. Green Commander, this is A-Dot. Come over. Green Commander, this is A. Dot. Come in, please. Chris, are you hearing me over the mic?
Yeah, I hear you.
Alright. No, I'm trying to get a hold of the guy.
Yeah,
See what the deal is.
that was stupid. No, our respawn is point D now.
Yeah.
We don't have to move back until we die. I love that. The whole fucking right side would have collapsed. Almost want them to move up.
It's fucking wind, man.
I don't even want to waste the ammo on them yet.
The ammo or the air. Can't find him. I've been trying to get him on the mic. He said that our spawn moved back to point 2.
It did. They cut enough wire.
Okay, but we don't have to move yet. We can stay here, right?
Stay here. You have a AAA gun.
Yeah.
The enemy, when they get it, they get points.
Okay.
It's on a sled. It moves.
Where is it?
It's somewhere back here.
Oh, okay.
I moved it.
Probably that one cannon. Right over there. Hey, one of you guys help me in real quick.
What's up?
Wrap that up for me.
Guys, Jack. 12 o'clock. And push it up, barrel.
There you go.
Thank you, boss.
You're good.
We'll be here all day. It's gotta be that cannon.
Oh, Jesus Christ!
Did you get him?
Yeah. I did. I hit him in the fucking face.